Are you looking for a way to make money online without a lot of hassle? ChatGPT monetization is an innovative way to earn extra income without leaving your home. This course will provide you with an introduction to making money online using ChatGPT's artificial intelligence technology. You'll learn how to get started, what support applications to use with ChatGPT, how to maximize your earnings, and what strategies you can implement right away to begin earning. By the end of the course, you will have the tools and confidence you need to start your own online money-making venture using the power of ChatGPT. But first, let's begin with a general overview. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence program that can help content creators with ideas, brainstorming, and research. For example, it can help generate ideas, suggest topics, and even provide research to help make your content the best it can be. It's like having your own personal assistant to help you create great content. Launched November 30, 2022, ChatGPT is powered by a deep learning model that uses a powerful algorithm to learn from vast amounts of data. This enables it to understand the context of conversations and generate meaningful responses. The technology is capable of understanding a wide range of topics and providing detailed answers to users' queries. It can also be used to build conversational applications that can perform tasks such as customer service, education, and entertainment. ChatGPT has many applications. However, this course will focus exclusively on how it's disrupting the content industry. You will learn how the technology makes use of artificial intelligence to generate content from a few prompts. This means that instead of needing to write the content yourself, you can use ChatGPT to create highly relevant content, very quickly. This is a major evolution. In fact, before ChatGPT, creators in the content industry conducted extensive research. Once complete, they often hired editors and writers that manually constructed the content. Content creation was a time-consuming and complex process. But now ChatGPT's powerful artificial intelligence technology is helping businesses and organizations create content that is engaging, up-to-date, and tailored to the needs of their audience. It is producing highly custom content quickly and easily, helping creators to increase engagement and conversion rates. It is an evolution in thinking that we are anxious to share with you. Let's take the journey together. Get enlightened together. And build successful content-powered online businesses. In the next video, we will highlight some of the many ways ChatGPT is disrupting the content industry. And don't forget, this course is powered by social rewards technology. Activate your social rewards account. As a creator, we will pay you $1 for every person that supports your content and up to 70% of tipping, advertising, e-commerce, and membership revenues. If you are not a creator, that's okay. Simply activate your social rewards account and share creator content with your followers. As creators you refer become more popular, we will deposit cash into your social rewards account. Thank you for watching.